Every day, mountains of tangled scrap wires are discarded. A high-pressure wash blasts away years of industrial grime. Once spotless, they travel deeper into the facility. Preparing them for the delicate separation process. Now, precision machinery takes over. Heavy rollers forcefully pull the valuable metal free. Next, they face the ultimate test of the roaring furnace. The metal cools, solidifying into thick, heavy cylinders. Water jets rapidly cool the glowing hot copper. A robotic claw lifts the massive copper billet, transferring it to the heavy forging line. Glowing red hot, they are ready to be shaped. They move into the heavy industrial press. Thousands of tons of force slam down on the metal, compressing the copper into a dense, flat plate. Now, the real transformation begins. The flat plate is forced into a deep mold. The rough vessels move down the line to cool. A secondary press refines the shape and edges, strengthening the copper structure. A lathe shaves the outer layer, revealing the brilliant copper beneath. The true beauty of the recycled copper is finally visible. The pots enter a high-heat chamber to dry instantly. Advanced lasers scan for any micro defects. Perfection is guaranteed. Placing them carefully into protective trays. Shrink-wrapped to preserve their brilliant shine. Boxed up and ready for shipping. A massive warehouse stores the final products. From discarded scrap wires to premium copper cookware.